Hello everyone. Now today today we are going to discuss about magnification. Today we are going to discuss about what, which topic? Today we are going to discuss about the magnification. Acha, in last two lectures, what we have done about the ray diagrams for concave and convex mirror, rules to draw the ray diagrams. Yes, ray diagrams for concave and convex mirror, rules to draw the ray diagrams. Then sign convention, and today also we will discuss about the sign convention. Acha, then mirrors formula, then derivation of mirrors formula, and all the ray diagrams for concave mirror, for convex mirror, along with the characteristics of image. Now today we are going to discuss about the magnification. So let's start. Take your pen and paper and try to understand. Okay? But remember, after watching this, you have to read one standard book. You have to read one standard book. Clear? Na? Nothing, nothing is, you can, what I have to say. So don't ask anyone to any notes. Clear? Na? Nothing is better than a textbook. So you have to read one standard textbook. Okay? Now, so concept of magnification. See, in case of concave mirror, in case of concave mirror, in case of concave mirror, if we place one object, okay, let me try. If we place one object at infinity, then we can see the image is forming at focus. As if we place one object, if the position is beyond C, then we can see the image position is what? Between C and F, and it is small sized image. If we place the object at C, then we can see the image is forming also at C. It is also at C, and it is same size image. Is height of the object and height of the image are same. If we place the object between C and F, for example, I am placing the object over here, between C and F, then we can see it is forming beyond C. It is forming beyond C, and it is magnified image. If we place the object at F, then we can see the image is forming at infinity, and it is highly magnified at infinity. So, infinity to F, if the position of the object is infinity to F, then we can see a real image, and we are getting it is inverted. We are getting the image is inverted image. So only one case we have, if we place the object between pole and the focus, any point between pole and the focus, here, any point. So suppose I am placing the object here, and for this case I am getting one image which is magnified or enlarged, and it is forming behind the mirror. So if I place an object between P and F, then I am getting one image which is forming behind the mirror, and I am getting one virtual image. So for only one case, when the object is placed between P and F, then we are getting virtual image. Is it clear? Otherwise, for all the cases, the image is what? Real inverted. Now come to the convex mirror. So if I place one object at infinity, or very near to the object, or here, at any point on the principal axis in front of the mirror, then we are getting only one type of image, and it is what? It is smaller than the object. It is smaller than the object, and it is forming behind the mirror. So always it is behind the mirror. When the object is at infinity, the image size is very small, like a point. So it is forming. So we can observe, acha, it is forming at focus. It is the concept of focus. It's already discussed in class 10 light 1, class 10 light 2 lectures. So if you are new, then at first watch clearer those 2 lectures and then come and complete it. So concave and convex. So in case of convex mirror, we are getting always virtual. We are getting always virtual image. In case of concave, most of the cases means infinity to focus. Image is what? Real inverted. Inverted means what? If this is the object, then I am getting the image like this. And this time this image can be cast on screen, and this is the definition of real image. Okay. Now be careful. So see, as we know, all the distances are measured from the pole. So all the distances are measured from the pole. And another one point, this is one of the important point. Another one point is what? Directions along the incident ray incident ray, direction along the incident ray is taken as positive. So this is second point. Okay, here is also again I am repeating sign convention. It is already discussed in lecture 2, class 10 light 2. Okay, or you can type Anjali's guidance. Okay, light lecture 2. So see, this is what given: virtual, direction along, image to virtual, direction along the incident ray taken as positive. Here all the distances are measured from the pole. So if I place one object here, so this is the direction of incident. Clear na? Suppose this is the object. So rays are moving in all directions. So here is the mirror. So you have to consider this is the direction of incident ray. So all the distances measured from all the distances along the direction of incident ray. All the distances along the direction of incident ray taken as positive, but you have to measure from the pole. Done? Clear? Now come to the point. Third point. If we consider the height above the principal axis, okay, above the principal, in coordinate geometry, we have this type of, you can say, 2 axes. One is x, so this direction positive, opposite direction negative, upward direction positive, downward direction negative. So same concept, but in different way. Direction along incident ray taken as positive, and opposite, that is negative. And above the principal height, you can say above the principal axis, all the heights are positive. Below principal axis, so means if we take upward direction height, it is positive. If we take downward direction, then it is negative. Is it clear? Is it clear? So upward direction taken as positive, and downward direction taken as negative. Means we have to take the value. For example, I'm placing the object over here. Say the height of the object is what? Height of the object is given 5 centimeters. This case. So, okay, let me check at first. Is it visible or not? Is it visible? Hello? Achha. So height of the object is what? 5 centimeters. Fine, it's visible. The height of the object is 5 centimeter, and suppose when the object is beyond C, the image is what? Between C and F. Between C and F. And I'm getting the height of these image. This one it is what? 3 centimeter. I'm getting it is 3 centimeter. So this height is what? We have to write. This is what? Above the principal axis. So we have to write this is plus 5 centimeter height of the object. And the height of the image is what? Height of the image is equal minus 3 centimeter. Means we have to put minus 3. Clear? When you have to solve some mathematical question, then we have to ignore this and the unit. Later you have to put the unit. So height, what you have to put? It is negative. So below principal axis, it is negative. Above principal axis, it is positive. Done. All the distances are measured from the pole. So along the direction of incident ray. So suppose this is the pole and you are measuring the distance from pole to this direction. So it is what? Positive. Opposite to pole, negative. From here also, along this direction, positive. For that direction, negative. Now come to the point. In case of concave mirror, this is the pole. So object distance, pole to the object. Object distance is pole to the object. See, this is nearly 1 p.m. Then also there is, the environment is different. Too much noise. Achha, it is pole to the object. Pole to the object. So pole to the object is, achha, 1 minute. See, so pole to the object distance, it is what? Pole to object. So be careful. Sorry for inconvenience. Okay, for one minute. See this one. Pole to the object. So this is pole and object. Again here, pole to the object. So from here we can conclude the object distance is always negative. Object distance is always negative. So we can conclude, we can write one point. So already done. So just remember, object distance, you note it down. Take pen, take paper, note it down. So U always negative. So U is always negative. For example, from pole to, this is the object though. So from pole to this object, say it is 20 centimeter. It is away 20 centimeter from the pole. So what is the value of U? That time, so write U is equal 20 centimeter. No, it is minus 20 centimeter because it is opposite to direction of incident ray. Done? Achha, for example, when we are placing an object over here, it is pole. Say this is say 5 centimeter, and the image is forming, it is what? Close to the mirror, and say this one, it is what? 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. We are getting magnified image. Now you tell me object distance and image distance. So image distance from pole to the image, up to this one. So it is V. This is the direction of incident ray because rays are moving along this direction. So distances are also, this distance is also along the direction of incident ray, means we are measuring from pole to the image, to pole to image, it is along the direction of incident ray, so it is also positive. So V is what? V is equal plus 2 centimeter. U to always negative, so here U is what? U is equal minus 5 centimeter. It is clear? Clear now? Maybe the lecture is lengthy, but keep patience. It will take 1 hour or 1.5 hour, but you can clear your concept. Okay, 2 centimeter. Next, what about the focal length? We know focal length is what? The distance between pole to the focus. Pole to the focus. So see, for convex lens, convex mirror. For a convex mirror, it is what? Pole to the focus along the direction of incident ray. So for convex, if focal length is what? Positive. Always positive. For a convex mirror, focal length is always positive. For a concave mirror, focus to this side, opposite to the direction of incident ray. So for a concave mirror, focus, it is what? Focal length is negative. Focus to capital F. Point, how to represent a point? By using capital letter. So it is positive, it is negative. Is it clear? This is positive, it is negative. Okay, it is positive. So for convex mirror, this focal length positive, because it is towards the direction of incident, along that direction. Assumption we are taking along the direction of incident ray taken as positive, opposite to the direction of incident ray taken as negative. So remember, for a convex mirror, focal length always positive, image distance always positive, object distance negative. For concave, it is what? It depending on the position of the object, from infinity to focus. So it is, we are getting what? A real image. So object distance negative, image distances are also negative. But when we are placing the object very near to pole, which is between pole and focus, that time we are getting virtual image. It is forming behind the mirror, and then image distance positive. So be careful. Why I am repeating the same thing again and again? Because we have to solve different mathematical questions, mirror problem, using mirror formula, 1 by V plus 1 by U equal 1 by F. That time it will be helpful. Our topic is magnification, so don't think I am diverting your mind. Clear na? I am discussing another topic apart from the magnification. Don't think this one. We are talking about the magnification only, but this concept, it will be very much helpful for you. Done? Chalo, come to the magnification part. আর পেন কপি খাতা নিয়ে একটু লিখতে হবে, ওকে? খাতায় লিখতে হবে, প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে, লিখতে হবে, তবে হবে। আচ্ছা, see, magnification is what? As we discussed, magnification, it is what? It is the mathematical representation. What? Or you can say comparison or compare between the object height and image size. So it is, we are writing or we are going to write this mathematically. Try to understand the significance. Say this is the object and I am getting this is the image. Sometimes this is the object, I am getting this type of image. So how to write this one mathematically? So we are taking the concept of fraction. So we are writing, we are writing height of the image and height of the object. This is one mathematical term we are writing mathematically, and we are writing this is magnification. Okay, so if hi is greater than ho, height of the image is greater than height of the object, then the value of m, then m greater than 1, and whenever we are getting m is greater than 1, then it is magnified. Is it clear? So when it is given magnification is what, 1, 2, 3, means it is what? It is magnified image. So image height is what? Image height is what? It is larger than the object height. So for example, if it is given magnification is what? If it is given magnification given 5, the magnification 5, it means put m equal 5. So height of image by height of object. So height of image cross multiply 5 times of height of object. So magnification 5 means the height of the image is 5 times the height of the object. So if the height of the object is 1 centimeter, image height is what, 5 centimeter. So by using magnification term, we can explain, or we are explaining whether the image is larger than the object or the object is larger than the image. So it is size. And this magnification, it is what? It is called magnification. These three names are given. It is called linear magnification, lateral magnification, or transverse magnification. Okay, or transversal, just you check this one. So it is linear. The magnification means it is linear magnification, lateral magnification, or you can say it is transversal magnification. Linear, lateral, transversal. So names are just for example, this is one. Without diagram, it is quite boring. So consider this is a boy, okay, whose name is Uglu. Whose name is Uglu. And just some relatives, okay, called him Guglu. Okay, and some of his friends, clever, in his school called him Raju. Okay, I am writing Ram. Achha, let me write. This is what I am writing. This is what Arjun. So his name is Arjun. Few of the relatives called him Uglu, few Guglu. Similarly, magnification to same magnification. তো স্টাইল দিয়ে কেউ এটাকে বলে ল্যাটারাল ম্যাগনিফিকেশন, কেউ বলে লিনিয়ার ম্যাগনিফিকেশন or transversal magnification. So 3 names are given. Just note it down in your copy. So magnification is what? Height of the image by height of the object. Height of the image by height of the object. Then height of the image by height of the object. Height of the image by height of the object. So see, be careful. So magnification is equal height of the image by height of the object. Now consider, after placing one object, we are getting one real image. So suppose mirrors are given, so obviously we are when we are getting one real image, so it must be a concave mirror. So after placing one object here, say I am getting one image here, and it is height of the object, and this is the height of the image. So see, we have to consider the sign also. That is the reason we discussed sign convention so many times. So magnification is denoted as what? M. As a height of the object, it is what? Height of the image by height of the object. So these height of the image, it is the numerator, and height of the object is denominator. As all the distances or height below or downwards from the principal axis taken as negative, and above the principal axis taken as positive. So height of the image is what? Negative, because distance. So I am putting right here negative distance. It is negative. The sign convention we have to use. Next, and height of the object, it is positive. So I am writing this one. So it is, we are writing it is what? The magnification is what? Minus, we are getting what? What is the value? So M we are getting, it is negative. So height of the image by height of the object, we are getting negative. To remember, so write it for real image. For real image, magnification negative. So magnification, negative value of magnification means image is real. So it is what? For real image, magnification is negative. Okay, so for real image, remember, for which image? A real image, magnification is negative. Magnification is negative. Achha. We have another one concept to find magnification. Achha, let me discuss about the virtual image then. So suppose if we place one object over here, then for concave mirror I am getting one image over here. Achha, if we discuss about the convex mirror, then after placing one object we are getting one image. So see, here the direction, it is what? Above the principal axis, it is also above the principal axis. It is above the principal axis, it is above the principal axis. So for virtual image, so write another one point. For virtual image, magnification, M is positive. M is positive. For which image? For virtual image. So be careful for mathematical problems. So while when you are solving some mathematical questions, remember, if the image is real, that time you have to put magnification with negative sign. If the what? If image is real, the magnification with negative sign. If image is virtual, real with negative sign you have to put. If the image is virtual, that time magnification you have to put with positive sign. Is it clear? Okay. Achha. Another one. Let me just write it and let me read it. Achha. Another one. Magnification. এটা ইরেজ করার দরকার ছিল না। আচ্ছা, see, so again I am drawing. Say concave. You also draw. Practice work to revision. Not revision. How many times you are writing? So it is also improving yourself. It is also improving your ability, your work. The same thing. So this is what? This is a convex mirror. It is the convex mirror. And we know if we place an object, definitely we'll get one small size image. Achha. If the position of the object is over here, then image is what? Definitely it is real image, maybe magnified, maybe small size depending on the position. But when the object is uh, very close to the mirror, that time you are getting magnified image. See, in another way we can write magnification. So another one is what? One to magnification is what? Height of the image by height of the object. This is the formula. This is the formula magnification. For mathematical questions, जब mathematical question solve करोगे, जखन तोरा mathematical question solve करोगे, then put with sign convention, then put the value with sign convention. अच्छा, now another one, another you can say this is formula for magnification. It is what? It is image distance, image distance, image distance divided by object distance, object distance. तो image distance divided by object distance. तो m for real image, for real it is what? For real image distance negative, image distance real negative, and object distance is also negative. So magnification formula, just see, I am writing, let me write. Actual magnification is what? It is a height of the image. So let me write here, height of the image divided by height of the object, and it is also, it can be written as image distance by object distance. As I see, if we have the real image, so see, height of real image, so height of the image it is what? A negative. Height of the object it is what? Positive. Above it is, so for real image we are writing, okay? For real we are writing, so it is what? For real image. This is the formula. But for real, height of the image downward direction negative, height of the object upward direction positive, equal image distance. This is the image opposite, and image distance is denoted as V. So we are writing minus V. Okay, divided by object distance. Object distance is what? Object distance is U, and it is also object distance negative, so minus U. So height of the image by height of the object, height of the image by height of the object, it is what? Image height by object height, magnification. So see, these minus cancel, so we can write, is visible, we can write, is it visible, is invisible, visible, but quality तो very bad, sorry yaar. Now it's okay. So for real you can see it is what? A negative. Previously the video quality was very bad, now it's okay. As I see, so these negative sign we can ignore. So we are getting height minus of height of the image by height of the object. So it is what? It is magnification, and it can be written as V by U. So what is the value of M? So M can be written as minus V by U. Okay, so we have one formula magnification, height of the image by height of the object, and another one magnification is what? Minus v by u. Magnification is minus v by u. So let's remember, it is magnification is minus v by u. So if I put virtual case, so if I use virtual case, so for virtual case, this is what we have to write. This is the okay, virtual, it is positive, height of the image positive, height of the object positive. But see, height of the distance of the object, it is what? Negative. It is negative. This is positive. We are getting this is negative. Then again we are getting m is negative, minus v by u. And one more point, see, this is, you can say this is one of the techniques, so that we can remember some terms, some points, some formulas. So all of you heard the barking sound of dogs? কুকুরের ডাক তোমরা সবাই শিখেছো। কুকুরের কাছ থেকে আমরা ম্যাগনিফিকেশন ফর্মুলাটা শিখতে পারি। তো উই ক্যান লার্ন the formula of magnification from the dogs. We can learn the formula of magnification from the dogs. Why? কুকুর ডাকে কিভাবে? ভাউ ভাউ করে ডাকে না কুকুর। তো see, magnification, first v then u, first v then u. আচ্ছা, তো I'm writing this one magnification formula is this, another one magnification formula is what? M, it is minus wow. So we can learn something from the dogs also. কুকুরের কাছ থেকে কিছু শিখতে পারো। তো M is equal v by u. V by u. Why are you saying this, sir? It's so easy. Because see, normally it's okay, but during exam, উপরে ভি না নিচে ভি, উপরে ভি ইউ अरे भाव एक बार कुत्ते जैसे भौंक लेना चाहिए, भाव। तो sin equal minus v by u. So remember, magnification, we have one formula. This is height of the image by height of the object, and it is minus v by u. Is it clear? Magnification, you can remember, clear now? You can remember, and you can help to your friends to remember. You can remember this forever. যতদিন বেঁচে থাকবে ততদিন মনে থাকবে। m is equal minus v by u. ভাও। ওকে, is it clear? চলো next part. But problem is, as I observed, first 30 minutes, 25 minutes, the video quality was very bad. Maybe, but see this one, try to see with some patience, try to watch. Okay, let me check once again. Problem. Is it visible? Now though it's okay, now it's okay. So that time, sorry bhai. Now next, magnification. So we have one formula, m is equal height of the image by height of the object. Another magnification is equal minus v by u. So what is v? V, u is equal object distance, and v is equal image distance. Just see. Next, we have two different formulas. Here magnification given in terms of height of the image and height of the object. Here magnification given in terms of image distance and object distance. Now Magnification, we have another one formula, we'll derive it. Magnification is equal, magnification is equal, magnification is equal, it is f by f. Another one, magnification is equal f by f. Hurry, sir, f by f to 1, f by f to 1. This is magnification. This is not magnification. So remember, if we are writing in terms of focal length and object distance, then it is f minus u. F minus u. And if we are writing in terms of focal length and image distance, here it is minus v. So this is one formula for magnification, it is another one formula for magnification. So here magnification given in terms of focal length and object distance, here magnification given in terms of focal length and image distance. Is it clear? Very much interesting. So this is 1, it is 2, 3, 4. Here image height, object height, magnification we can find. Here image distance, object distance, we can find magnification. Here focal length, object distance, focal length, image distance. Asan. So just remember one, खूब सोचा. If you want to find magnification, minus f from the denominator. Okay, f minus u from the denominator, minus u, and magnification from the numerator, minus v. तुमको नीचे से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, तो u y o u, तो व्हाट्सएप चैट जीपीटी के ज़माने पे we can write u, তোমাকে নিচে থেকে মাইনাস করতে হবে, then you will get magnification. তো f by f minus u, তো f by f minus तुम. Here, so if we remember this is the part of the concept, part of education only. So m equal f by f minus u. So minus u, f by f minus u, f by f minus u, f by f minus u, and in terms of v, f. So that's why I wrote f by f minus u minus v. So it is also magnification, it is also it is also magnification. This is one very easy. So let's prove it. Sir, how to prove this one, m equal minus v by u? Derivation to not required. If you want to, we will discuss. Okay, no problem. So let's start. So first we'll prove this. Later I will show this one. The magnification is equal minus v by u. So let's start. আপনি কেমন শিক্ষক? আমি এমন শিক্ষক। I am তো this type of teacher ভাই। আচ্ছা, see, one day one person asked, which type of teacher you are? This type of teacher I am. See, acha, what is that? So we'll start from mirrors formula. So what is the mirror formula? 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal 1 by f. Derivation is also done in class 10 light 2, and channel name is Anjali's Guidance. Okay, अच्छा लिखते हैं JALIS, and then capital G, capital G, GUTIDANCE. This is the channel name. You can search, will get. And what you have to write? Class 10 light 2 derivation given. Okay. Achha. So 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal 1 by F. Okay. Now see. So magnification formula is, this is the magnification formula. M, so you have to use this, okay? You have to use this one. M equal minus B by U. As a first, see, you can say, sir, where is the mathematical questions? All of you, remember one more thing. If your concept is clear, if you know the theory, you can solve mathematical problems. Clear? But don't worry, we'll discuss about the mathematical problems also. At first, let us complete the theoretical part. पहले theory at first সর্বপ্রথম theory ভালো করে পড়তে হবে, তারপরে তো mathematical problem তুই করতে পারবে. Mathematical see one of the experiment means inside the, maybe right now we are not able to perform any kind of experiment, but mathematical questions are the experiment. That first you know the theory, then go to the experiment. It's better. So say 1 by B plus 1 by 1 by F. Now find or write V in terms of U and F and substitute here. So first what we are going to do, to find those two formulas, once we have to replace V, second time we have to replace U. So now 1 by V is equal 1 by F minus 1 by U, or we can write 1 by V is equal FU, it is U minus F. LCM, simple LCM. Okay, simple LCM. FU, so here FF, so it is UI into 1U minus F. LCM. If you have any problem in LCM, then comment. I'll show pure mathematics LCM. So 1 by V. Now, what is the value of V? That is reciprocal. FU divided by U minus F. Is it U minus F or F minus U? U minus F. We are getting U minus F, U minus F, U minus F, U minus. Okay, U minus F. So V is equal this. And now substitute the value of V over here. So substitute the value. So after substituting now M is equal minus as it is. So V is what? 4 FU divided by U minus F. Okay, divided by U. So these U to cancel because it is U by 1. Here U cancel. That is 8 by U minus F with minus. So now absorb this minus over here. So you can write, see, F by minus of U minus F. Is it visible? Is it visible? Is it visible? 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 Visible by, visible by, visible by, visible. Hi, visible? Okay, Bhagwan. Yes, visible. So see, now if we absorb this minus sign over here, then we can write this M is equal F divided by F minus U. It is minus, it is plus minus U plus F, F minus U. The one magnification is what? M equal F by F minus U. Proved. So from where? You have to start from the Mirror's formula, find V, replace, we'll get this one. Second, to find from here, find U. To find U, so let me write here, this is U, tum, this is what? V, so it is what? It is V minus F, and it is what? FV, and so this is what I'm writing U, and this is what? U, and so this is what it is V. and it is what? It is V minus F. Same to? Same na? Now put the value here, put the value here, put the value here, put the value, 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 put the value. Acha. So this is what? So what we have to write? FV, because U2. So we have to change here. We have to change here. So up to this, so okay. After this clear na? See, write it. U, to find U. Now M is equal minus V by U is what? FV divided by V minus F. So now this is what? V to means V by 1, and so V cancel, this V cancel, we can write M is equal minus V by 1 into अच्छा तो M is equal minus V by 1 into V minus F by FV. This V cancel, भाई से भाई मर गए, हाँ भाई भाई मालूम करो शेष, तो we can write हाय हाय की बोल छी M is equal minus V minus F by F. तो again absorb minus will get F minus V by F. It is the second one. Let me check. Yes, it is visible. Good. So, see, so we are getting magnification is equal F by F, magnification F by F minus U, and it is minus V. Okay. So again few points. For real image, what you have to put? Magnification positive value. So positive value of magnification. Okay. For real image, positive value of magnification. Then for virtual image, hi. This to उल्टो बोले दिलाम. For real image, magnification negative. Sorry. For real image, magnification is negative. So now, for example, it is given. Suppose now I am writing one question. Okay. See, this is not the English grammar class. So I will not write the sentences. I will write the hints only. So the hint is, it is given. Acha, suppose one object is placed in front of a concave mirror. So this is the concave mirror. One object is placed in front of a concave mirror, and we are getting one image which is 5 times. So this is what? Height of the object, and one image we are getting. Leave it. Suppose one object of a height 3 centimeter is placed in front of a concave mirror, and we are getting one real image of height 6 centimeters. One real image of height 6 centimeter. Real. It is written. It is given inside the question. Okay. 6 centimeters. Now the question is, if the object distance is given 20 centimeter. What is given? Object distance. So from pole to this it is given 20 centimeter. So if the object distance is 20 centimeter, find the focal length of this concave mirror. Is it clear? So one object of height 3 centimeter is placed in front of a concave mirror, and we are getting one real image of height 6 centimeter. Object distance is given 20 centimeter. You have to find the focal length of this concave mirror. So what you have to do? Sir, what is given? It is 3 centimeter given, height of the object given. Height of the object given. Acha, height of the object is given. Acha, next it is what? 3 centimeter. Done. अच्छा. So, and height of the image is what? It is 6 centimeter. With negative sign we have to put height of the image. If you forget whether it is positive or negative, leave it. No problem. Achha, now what is given u? All the distances are measured from the pole. So pole to object it is minus 20 centimeter. What we have to find? F. The F equal what? Formula it is given m. Magnification, we know the formula. So be attentive. We know the formula m is equal f by f minus u. And this magnification is what? Height of the image by height of the object is equal f by f minus u. So real, clear na? You can directly put it is minus with then height of the object by height of the image. That time no need to consider sign. But it's better you write the formula and put the values. So height of the image is what? Minus 6 centimeter. तो नहीं लिखना equation. हमरा लिखबो ना centimeter. Height of the object is 3. So see, minus 6 by 3 minus 2. So that time you are getting 2 times the height of the image than compared to the height of the object. The magnification is what? 2 times real image minus 2. So after solving also we are getting minus 2 is equal f as it is, because we have to find f, then f minus what is the value of u? Minus, so this is from formula. We have to put minus 20. Let me check whether it is visible or not. Sorry. Visible. Yes. এটা কি হলো? কেন বুঝো? আরে ভগবান, এ কি হলো রে? হয় problem. See this one. It is what? It is written f by f minus, then minus of 20. Why minus of 20? Because object distance to minus 20 centimeter. Is it clear? Object distance is minus 20 centimeter. I will not write this one here. It is not visible properly. So let me write it here. Where? Let me erase this part and let me write it. So I am writing this one here. So see, try to understand. Height of the object is 3 centimeter. Height of the image is 6 centimeter. Though it is 6 centimeter, so from the diagram see. So magnification is what? Sir, it is to 2, because image height to double हो गया तो 2. अच्छा, magnification is what? Directly we can write magnification is 2, but image is real, so minus 2. So directly you can use the concept. That time you put m equal minus 2. Otherwise, if you are confused, you forget everything. Leave it, forget, no problem. भूले जा, कोनो दरकार नहीं. Just write hi by ho. That time consider the height. It is positive 3 centimeter. It is negative minus 6 centimeter. Enough. Now put the value. The height of the image minus 6. Height of the object 3. And it is what? F. You have to find f. Then f minus and then minus 20. Because u is minus 20. Because all the distances are measured from the pole, and it is what? Opposite to the incident direction. Because if it is the object, it is the direction of incident. Now calculate it. So calculate. So they are getting it is minus 2 is equal f by f plus 20. Normal mathematics. So we can write it is what? Minus 2f minus 40 is equal f, cross multiplication. So now shift these here, this f that side, this side. So we are getting it is what? Minus 3f is equal 40. So f is equal minus 40 by 3, and we are getting 13.3333 centimeter. So we are getting f, this is the value of f. So f is equal 13.3333 centimeter. 40 by 3, then it is 13 point something. So f is with negative, and see, negative sign indicates what? It is opposite to the direction of incident ray, and we know for concave mirror focus is, it is what? Opposite this side in front of the mirror, so means distance is what? Opposite to the direction of incident ray, and we are getting minus 13.33. So check the calculation, it is minus 2, f, we have to find f, it is plus 20, now cross multiply, minus 2f, minus 2f, minus 2 plus 20 minus 40, f into 1f, shift this one here, minus 2f minus f minus 3f, this 40 here to plus 40, f equal minus 40 by 3 minus 13 point something. So this is one of the mathematical question, and you can understand, acha, okay, this is the scenario, what we have to find. So sometimes object distance, image distance given, we can do it easily. Acha, if we know f, now they are asking us to find the image distance, means we have to find what? We have to find v. We have to find v. That time we have to use, now another formula we have, magnification, we know magnification, image distance, object distance, u known, magnification, what is the value of magnification? You have to put minus 2, because real to, then we have to put minus 2, u minus 20, then you can find v easily. Is it clear? If now they can ask another one question, they find the image distance, pole to image distance. So magnification, it is 6 times 3 times 2, but real, or if you consider the sign convention, then you will get minus 2. Otherwise m equal minus 2, put m equal minus 2. V you have to find, u equal minus 20. So this minus this, it is plus minus 2. So here it is 20 and minus 2 minus 40. So v equal minus 40 centimeter. V equal minus 40 centimeter. From the pole, you can calculate it. Is it clear? So like this, you can deal with magnification. So maybe from the initially quality, video quality was, because it is quite blur, ঠিকঠাক দেখা যাচ্ছে না, কিন্তু হয়তো দেখা যাবে, আমি চেক করিনি, যখন চেক করলাম দেখলাম যে ঠিকঠাক বোঝা যাচ্ছে না, এখন একটু ঠিক আছে। তো প্রবলেম সব লেগেই থাকে, ওকে, বাট ইউ ডু ওয়ান থিং, read the textbook and take some help from this video, okay. If it is helpful, then share with your friends, with your friends and friends of your friends, okay. Thank you. Next time we'll discuss some mathematical questions related to mirror, magnification, everything. Oh, derivation, sir, minus v by u derivation. And the next class we'll discuss the derivation, then we'll solve some mathematical question, then we'll enter the refraction of light, refraction through lenses, okay. Thank you. Thank you, re baba, thank you.